Ever wondered how to sharpen a chainsaw? It's a question that might seem daunting, yet it's a necessary skill for anyone who uses this powerful tool. Sharpening your chainsaw not only improves its efficiency but also makes it safer to use. So let's delve into the process, shall we? The first step in sharpening a chainsaw is to gather the necessary tools. For this task, you'll need a round file that matches the pitch of your chainsaw's chain, a file guide to keep your file at the correct height, and a flat file for the depth gauges. Once you have your tools, secure the chainsaw. Make sure it's off, of course. Use a vise if available to hold the chainsaw steady while you work. Remember, safety first, always. Now identify the lead cutter. It's the tooth on the chain that appears to be shorter than the rest. This is where you'll begin filing. With the file guide and round file in hand, start filing the lead cutter. Hold the file at a right angle to the chainsaw's bar and file at an angle of 30 degrees. Make nice, even strokes away from your body. Repeat this process for every other tooth on the chain. Next, once you've filed one side of the chain, flip the chainsaw around to work on the other side. Again, start with the lead cutter and file every other tooth. After filing all the teeth, it's time to adjust the depth gauges. These are the small protrusions in front of each tooth on the chain. Place the flat file on the chain and slide your depth gauge tool over it. If a depth gauge protrudes above the tool's level, file it down until it's flush. That's it. You've successfully sharpened your chainsaw. To recap, first gather your tools. Then, secure the chainsaw and identify the lead cutter. Begin filing the lead cutter and every other tooth on one side, then flip the chainsaw and repeat on the other side. Finally, adjust the depth gauges. Remember, a sharp chainsaw is an efficient and safe chainsaw, so don't hesitate to give your chainsaw a little TLC. It will pay off in the long run, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just someone who needs to keep their yard looking clean and tidy. Happy sharpening!